In this video, you'll learn how to effectively manage your account settings on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will be able to view and edit personal information, adjust security settings, and manage billing details with ease. Start by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or app. If prompted, sign in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the account icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, select the option labeled Account from the drop-down. This action will direct you to the account management screen where you can view various options related to your profile and settings. You should see several sections available for editing. To view or edit your personal information, click on Profile. This section allows you to see essential details like your name, email address, phone number, and mailing address. If you need to make changes, click the Edit button. After clicking this, fields will become editable, enabling you to input your updated information. Remember to save any changes before proceeding. Continuing on, if you wish to change your current password, locate and click on the password option. This will prompt you to enter your existing password followed by your new password. Be sure to follow any password is secure. After updating your password, navigate to Account Security to manage additional security settings. Here, you can activate extra protections such as two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to enable these features. Next, click on Notifications to customize your preferred forms of communication. This allows you to select how you want to receive updates or alerts from Taskrabbit. After making your selections, remember to save any changes to ensure your preferences are applied. If you need to view or edit your payment methods, click on Billing Info. This section will display your current payment options. You can add new payment methods or update existing ones as necessary. Be aware of any storage limitations or file size requirements if you are uploading documents. For taskers, selecting business information allows you to update your business details, ensuring that your profile accurately reflects your services. Additionally, you can check your account balance or view transaction history by clicking on Account Balance or Transactions. This will provide you with a clear overview of your earnings and expenses. Finally, if you decide to permanently remove your Taskrabbit account, click on the Delete Account option. Be cautious, as this action cannot be undone. Ensure you have backed up any important information before proceeding with this step. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.